So speaking about crypto world, we also have quite impressive, cool swap feature that allows you go from Ethereum. You can always exchange your Ethereum if you have one to stablecoin, to digital dollar.
Yeah.
So and
cool.
here's the flow.
So I see my balance here, and this is in Arbitrum ETH, right? Because we're in love with Arbitrum because it's like fast and cheap. So, but yet it still like settles on Ethereum. So we get the security of Ethereum. So I've got like 28 ETH here, essentially.
Yeah, and as it usually goes, you specify the amount. You can click on these beautiful buttons. Your money will be converted to digital dollar.
Yeah.
And if you want to do like the opposite action, for example, you have digital dollar in your MetaMask, and you want to convert them to Ethereum or Bitcoin Ethereum, you can do that also via that page. So you just click on the corresponding button and it swaps the currencies.